Well, little peaches, one of the ways your papa stayed out of your mama's way, I mean, kept himself busy while he was waiting for you to be born was to work on these little surprises. One of them was a playground for you. But there was too much to do, so he asked me, your Uncle Sid, for a little help.
In retrospect, your Uncle Sid probably wasn't the best choice.
Hey, Sid. Really appreciate you lending a paw here. You see, I built this awesome playground, but my kid's coming any day now, and I need to baby-proof the place. Look at this. The only game our kid can play here is Daddy brings you to the doctor.
I hear you. Now what can Uncle Sid do for you?
Well, let's see. You can pad those sharp, eye-poking-out rocks with leaves. You can put mud on those sharp rocks over there. Oh yeah, and you could melt the sharp icicles in the cave.
No, now those are a hazard.
Yeah, but not everybody thinks so. They may try and stop you.
Stop me? The child safeinator? Bring him on.
Ah, the kids will love this playground. Now to throw these leaves over the rocks. Oh, now it's like a big bed for sleepy heads. Cool! All the rocks have leaves on them. What should I do next? That looks nice and coated to me. All the rocks are covered. Now time to baby-proof the rest of the playground. Time to go melt those icicles. It's kind of chilly in here. No more hard is gonna stop me from melting these icicles. Bad icicle meet hot, hot fire.
Wow, Sid! You actually did it! Now all that's left is for me to uproot those tree stumps. Out of my way, beavers! The playground looks safer already. Whoa, what was that? Too bad we didn't call and Frank-proof the playground. But hey, I couldn't move those large rocks earlier, but maybe they can. I got an idea.
Does this idea include me?
If you can get on one of their backs, you can guide them into the rocks.
This is what happens when I wake up before noon. Let's see if rhinos eat mud balls. Come on, come and get me. Hey, thanks for your help, my rhino friend. I'm never, ever doing this again.
I meant to hit the playground, not the ground.
Oh, this playground! It's amazing! The baby loves it.
Well, then the baby will really love this. An ice mobile.
The baby thinks you're the best dad ever.
Whoa!
And where did you get all the energy to baby-proof this place? Hey, is it okay?
Oh, he's probably just shocked that we're nowhere to be found on your special family ice mobile.